Just got done with an awesome sunrise. It's kind of cool. Came across this gator. So right when I was making my way across some driftwood, I must have stepped right over this gator, but he was so cold from coming out of the ocean that he didn't move, and I just stepped right over him. So about 2 minutes later, when I looked around, I saw something thrash around a little bit, and to my surprise, it was a gator. He's about 2 or 3 feet, and you know, he's so cold he couldn't do anything anyway. I probably could have stepped on him, he wouldn't have done anything. But now, this is the ocean right here, or inlet, so I'm not sure exactly how in the world he got washed up. His eyes aren't open, so I imagine he's just really cold. One of those unexpected adventures I run into. Well, this is my first time running into it because I've never had a gator, you know, never ran into a gator in a while like that. So anyway, let me make my way back towards my car. Sun's up, light's kind of soft and still soft, but my time's done. So I'm working my way back to my car, and the tide's coming in, so this is going to be interesting, but it's all right. Just a little gymnastics. Hopefully, where I left my shoes, it's not overtaken by the ocean. But yeah, it's getting crazy. It's time for me to get out of here. Whoa. All right, my shoes are untouched. Pretty close call though. Gonna make my way back up this little trail. I'm done for the day, at least sunset hunting, and I will see you guys in the next one.